attentive and very studious. So ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for our first benchers. Tom and Jerry wore a key. A square, B square, A plus B whole square. Tom and Jerry wore a key, 8 and 9, I don't care. Now other type of students who are very naughty in the class and who never complete their homework. So ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together once again for our backbenchers.
क्या बोलते पब्लिक? Hey, please be quiet. Don't shout. तू अपने काम से काम रख, मुझसे पंगा मत ले, वरना व्हाट लग जाएगी. Hey, be quiet.
Hey you, what's your name?
Sir, good morning.
I asked your name.
MP sir,
What is it?
Mohan Pa.
What's your father name?
MP.
Is it Mohan Pal?
No, it's Manmohan Pa.
Where's your native place?
Sir, MP sir.
Is it Madhya Pradesh?
No, it's Manipa.
Okay, Mud.
MP sir.
Now what is it?
It's my pleasure, sir.
Hey you, say your father's number.
3, 4,
What for? What for? I'm call your class teacher. Go.
Good morning. Sit down. Good morning. Good morning all. Today I am going to take attendance. Samyukta, Ananya, Manisha, Vijay Prakash, Nitvika, Saranya, Bharatwaj, Arshrit, Mohan. Today's topic is active and passive voice. Ashit, what is active voice?
Today's topic, ma'am.
Mohan, what is active and passive voice?
Ma'am, active voice is तेरे मस्त मस्त मेरे मस्त तेरे बहना. Ma'am, passive voice is मेरा दिल का ले गया चैन तेरे मस्त मस्त तू बहना.
You guys, don't do time pass. Please sit. Nitvika, what is active voice and passive voice?
Active voice means a sentence subject performs action of the action. Hey, you're wrong. Active voice is a sentence of the subject which performs action.
Both of you are correct. Sit.
Excuse me, sir. You said that you'll check the homework today.
Yes, very good. Put into the homework. Hey, what's your excuse?
Sir, my father is in hospital, sir.
My mother was in hospital, sir.
Hey, you, what's your excuse?
सर वो पार्टी को गया था सर.
पार्टी करने के लिए टाइम था पर होमवर्क करने के लिए नहीं था क्या?
सर उनको भी पूछो, वो भी नहीं गए थे ना.
उनके रीजन जेन्यून थे.
उसका मम्मी और डैडी हॉस्पिटल में है क्योंकि इसका मम्मी नर्स है और डैडी डॉक्टर है.
बोलो.
सॉरी सर.
Okay, it's your last warning.
Tomorrow last exam for these students and last day for the tomorrow last exam for these students and last day in their school. Let's see how it plays out. Everyone practice your physics test. I have practiced it for 10 times and I am thorough with this topic. I am going to be the topper of this class. Hello, I am practicing it since 2 months. I will be the top of the class.
अरे ఈరోజు ఫిజిక్స్ ఎగ్జామ్ ఆరా నేనేం చదవాలి
అరే ఈ రోజు నాకు ఎగ్జామ్ అని కూడా తెలియదురా. మామ ఎగ్జామా? నేనేం చదవలే.
ఇక అంతే ఈరోజు ఎవరేం చదవాలి.
These are your physics papers. You have 3 hours to complete the exam, okay?
I'm completed. Ma'am, 1 minute. Ma'am, please, ma'am, 1 minute.
Give your paper. It's time up.
मैम 1 मिनट मैम. अरे दिखा बे. दिखा दिखा.
Give. It's time up.
1 minute please 1. Ma'am 1 minute ma'am please. Ma'am please.
It's time up. Whoever didn't get the papers, I'm leaving the class. No more excuses. I'm not going to take the papers again.
मोहन पाल तू इतना सा क्यों हो.
मैं तुम लोग को बहुत मिस करूंगा यार. स्कूल एक ऐसी जगह है जहां हम पढ़ते हैं, जहां हम रोके आते हैं और आखिरी दिन में भी रोक के जाते हैं.
School is a place where we make memories with our friends, teachers and our juniors. स्कूल ऐसी जगह है हम चिपके चिपके खाने खाते थे और पेन फाइट जैसे अलग अलग गेम खेलते.
स्कूल एक ऐसी जगह है जहाँ टीचर की डांट सुन के हम रोने पड़े और आज रोके जा रहे.
School is a place where we make new friends and support each other through hard times and make new friendships and understand the value of true friendship. School is a place where we spend 9 hours each day and make new memories new second.
स्कूल ऐसी जगह है जहाँ पीटीएम होते थे और हमारे बारे में सारे टीचर्स हमारे पेरेंट्स को बोलते थे और वो सारे कंप्लेंट्स आज याद आ रहा है.
स्कूल एक ऐसी जगह है कि टीचर हमको इतना पनिशमेंट दी पर हमें पता है अब हमको कितना प्यार करते हैं.
एक ऐसी जगह है जहाँ 12 साल की दोस्ती निभाई और यादें बढ़ाई. School is a place where we recognize our uniqueness and individuality. School life is no less than a treasure for us, which gave us invaluable joys in life. The memories of high school life are incomparable. School life is a golden period of our life. ये दोस्ती हम नहीं तोड़ेंगे. Thank you.